Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, we will talk about what is supervised learning. You will learn about what is supervised learning and the types of supervised learning, that is regression and classification, and what is the difference between them. So what is the supervised learning? Supervised learning is a machine learning paradigm where the models learns from labeled data in order to predict an output from unseen data. Okay, so we have some input x we and the output y, and the output is labeled. For example, we have a data set of the fruits. Okay, so we have basically inside our data set we have an image of fruit, the color of the fruit, the size of the fruit. All these call are the features of the data, and the targeted variable in this data is its name, that is the apple. Okay, for example, the yellow apple, its color, its size, and many other features, and the category name is apple. Okay, so we will basically, as an input, we will provide this data to a machine learning model that has already labeled. Okay, so labeled means had it's already categorically labels. This is apple, this is orange. We have already labeled the images. Okay, then the machine learning, okay, will basically works on this in order to predict the output from unseen data. So all these are called input features x, and the name in this example is called the targeted feature, that is the y. Okay, so for example, we have a this data, when we give this data to a machine learning algorithm, then the machine learning algorithm will predict, okay, from a testing data. For example, after providing this data to a machine learning algorithm, if you provide a new image, for example this is the banana image, then the machine learning will predict this is the banana. So this is called the supervised learning. We have basically a label data. Okay, so and this is the whole process. This equation is y is equal to f of x. In this, f is a model. Okay, so in variable y, the machine learning will basically apply to the input data x. So this equation you will normally seen in the machine learning examples. So what are the types of supervised learning? Mainly, there are two types of supervised learning. One is called the regression and another is called the classification. What is regression? Regression is very simple. That is nothing but predicting a continuous values. For example, predicting a house price based on size and location. When we have input size and location in order to predict the house prices. Estimation the temperature for the next day when we have a temperature related data. Forecasting sales revenue when we have a sales type data. So if the targeted variable is the continuous values, then this is called the regression. On the other hand, the classification is the predict the discrete labels. What is it? Means that, for example, in order to predict the email spam detection, for example, if we have email data that is spam or not spam with categorical label. Image recognition, that's cat, this image is cat, this is image is dog, this is the another one. If we have the animal images data with label, then to predict the specific category of a new data, that will comes under the umbrella of classification. That is medical diagnostic. For example, if we have a medical data to diagnose it in disease 1, disease 2, or something like this all will basically inside the comes under the umbrella of classification. So what is regression? Regression is used when the targeted variable is continuous. Okay, so for example, the example of use case is inside the feature we have the size. If we predict the house prices, okay, so we have size in square foot as a one feature, the number of bedrooms and another feature, locations is another feature, and what will be the targeted variable? Targeted variable will be house prices. Okay, so when we input this data to a machine learning, we have some x features and the targeted label, that is house prices. When we basically put a new, in order to prediction, when we put a new testing data set to this machine learning model, it will predict its house price. Okay, how it works? The model is trained on the dataset with features x and the continuous targeted variable y. It learns the relationship between the input and output, and during the prediction, the model uses the learned relationship to estimate the targeted values for a new inputs. The commonly algorithms in regressions are linear regression, polynomial regression, decision tree for regression, random forest, and support vector regression. Okay, so the classification, as I already told, the classification is used when the target variable is categorical, meaning it represents discrete classes labels. Okay, so the model is trained on a data set X, and similarly in this the category labels are Y. It learns the decision boundaries between classes. During prediction, the model assigns the most likely class to new inputs. The example case is email spam detection. Inside this we have a feature of X that are words in this email, frequency of certain phrases, number of for example nouns or verbs or something like, and the targeted is spam or not spam. And the commonly used algorithms of classifications are logistic regression, decision tree for classification, random forest, and support vector machines and neural networks, something like this. Okay, so the how the machine learning models works, this is very simple. We have two types of data set. The one is called the training data, and basically on the training data our machine learning models learns and identifying the hidden patterns and relationship between the X and Y, and we then test this model performance on the testing data. Okay, so for example this example shows we have a label data. Okay, and you already familiar with the label data. Okay, so we have a label inside the hexagon. This is the triangle shape and this is the square shape. And when we provide this label data to a machine learning model, okay, it will trains on it. Okay, and when we provide a testing data, a new, for example, these two shapes to this machine learning trained model, then it will predict it is square and it is triangle, something like. So this is how machine learning model works. Okay, so this is the last, that is supervised. How is the learning workflow, overall supervised learning workflow? Okay, the first step is we collect the data, we gather the data, and in order to label it, then we will provide data pre-processing, clean the data. Okay, then the third step is very important, that is feature selection. We select some relevant features. For example, in the previous slide I basically you will extract some features, for example number of nouns, number of pronouns for email spam detection or something like. Then we provide this data to the model training, choose an algorithm. Okay, and inside that then we evaluate the model on the testing data, and then the predictions come when they use the trained model to predict outputs for new data. So this is the overall workflow of supervised learning. So I hope you have understood about this basic concept. If you have any question, you can ask your question in video comment section, or a question link is also mentioned in video description. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.